We've been in our home for over 15 years and we've not done any remodeling to our kitchen. We had builder grade cabinets, so it was time to give our kitchen a new look. The cabinets were falling off the wall and they were old and just ugly color, and we were ready for something new and fresh. Just having a smaller kitchen, we had very minimal counter space and we were running out of cabinet space for the size of our family, and adding the cabinets really gave us that additional space and that we really needed to freshen up our kitchen. We chose cabinet refacing because it was outside of our budget to replace all of our cabinets and we wanted a fresh, updated look. But painting and staining just tends to chip over time, and doing cabinet refacing is going to stand the test of time, and it's going to last a lot longer than painting or staining would last. Meeting with our design consultant was easy. He was very knowledgeable with all the options, from the accessories to the door facings to the glass to all the interior cabinet options, and they just made us feel really at peace and really calm through the whole appointment, to know that we'd made the best decision for our space. Working with the installers at Expo Home Improvement was such a joy. They were great to have in our home. They were on time. They called to let us know when they were going to be here. They kept our entire space sealed off so that the dust didn't go anywhere. They kept my home clean. They cleaned up every night after they left. When I first saw my cabinets, I was so excited. I could not believe that I went from dark and boring old colors to bright and open new kitchen. I couldn't have been more happy with the finished product. I have a lot of friends that are looking to update their space and remodel their kitchens. I couldn't recommend Expo Home Improvement more. They were easy to work with. They were in and out in just a few days, and the finished product was just amazing. Choosing Expo Home for our remodel was really the best decision.